Hey there, Sanity Seekers. Thank you for joining me. Today I'm making a magical, mystical, foresty, gardeny, fairy type, butterfly alluring chair. I've started with a small plastic chair from a stacking game which I spray painted black. I'm using 2 of these long oval embellishments to decorate the front and the back of the chair and make it somewhat regal. I've bent the front piece for an imaginary tiny person's comfort and attached it both with tacky glue. Next, I clipped off some decorative floral pieces from some fake flowers. I glued and bent them in shape to be armrests and accents for the high back of the chair. I tied the pieces in place on the legs of the chair with some twine and glue, then tied the crossover at the head of the chair with natural twine as well. Moss was used here and there to further accentuate the natural look of Mother Nature, and nail art embellishment roses were glued on to lure those pretty butterflies in. Lastly, I glued on the aforementioned butterflies, which are also nail art embellishments, most likely from Temu. And that, my friends, is our beautiful Mother Nature inspired butterfly enticing chair, which will go in the upcycled lantern artwork from my previous video on my channel. Speaking of my channel, why not subscribe if you haven't yet? We could hang out. We could search for our sanity together. It'd be fun. If you have already subscribed, so cool to see you again. I appreciate you so much, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.